Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math Fractions chapter. Exercise 6b. Question number 8. A metal pipe of 5 meter weighs 2 and 6/7 kg. How long do you cut off if you need 1 kg of the pipe? Now you see the question line, how long do you cut off? How long means the quantity will find out. The answer will have unit kg or meter. How long means it will have meter unit. So if we put kg, the quantity kg on the right side, we cannot find the answer. We have to put the 5 meter on the right. So let us rearrange the sentence. Instead of writing the pipe of 5 meter weighs 2 and 6/7 kg, we will write 2 and 6/7 kg pipe is 5 meter. 5 meter. Very simple. Now 2 and 6/7 we have to simplify it or convert it to improper fraction. 2 and 6/7 means 7 into 2 plus 6, 20/7 kg, or pipe is 5 meter. No change here. We just change the fraction or simplified. Now we have to find the unit value. 1 kg pipe is, always when we find the unit value, or what we do, we have to divide. For example, 20 kg rice is 100 taka. 1 kg rice is, we would have divided. We always apply division to find the unit value. So divide 5 by this number or fraction, 20/7, 20/7, and the unit of this quantity will remain meter, equals to, you just do the calculation, 5 by 1 into, change the sign to multiplication sign and use the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of this fraction is 7/20. Unit remains meter, equals to, when calculate, we have to check if we can reduce the fraction. Can we reduce? Yes, we can divide by 5. This is 1, we can divide by 5, this is 4. 7 into 1 is 7, 4 into 1 is 4. Unit remains meter, equals to, this is an improper fraction, we have to change it to mixed fraction. So we divide 7 by 4, 4 into 1, 3, 1 and 3/4, 1 and 3/4, 1 and 3/4 meter. Answer is 1 and 3/4 meter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.